In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A16 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app and tapping on while using the app and allow in the pop-ups. Then click on this red button at the bottom to start recording and hit allow. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, click on this middle button. To add a bookmark, click on bookmark icon. To listen to your recording right away, pause it, swipe it, and click on this play button on the left. To end it and save it though, click on this square one on the right. Then name your recording and tap on save. If you want to listen to it, click on it, and to manage all of its options, operate those, or click on this pen at the top and change whatever you want to. To delete your recording though, you need to hold it. Select delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!